Are you ready to embark on a journey through one of the most breathtaking and diverse countries in the world? Chile offers a stunning blend of natural wonders, rich culture, and thrilling adventures, stretching over 4,100 kilometers along South America's Pacific coast. This land of extremes beckons travelers with its captivating mix of landscapes and experiences. Imagine standing in the world's driest desert one day, trekking through glacial valleys the next, and then ending your trip on a remote island filled with ancient mysteries. Chile truly is a land where every corner tells a story, and every step reveals something new. Whether you're a nature lover, a culture enthusiast, or an adrenaline junkie, Chile has something magical for everyone. So, let's dive deeper into what makes this spectacular destination an unmissable experience for all adventurers. A country of contrasts. Chile's geography is like no other. In the north, you'll find the Atacama Desert, the driest desert on Earth, where landscapes resemble Mars more than Earth. Explore the surreal Valle de la Luna, Valley of the Moon, a place where wind and erosion have sculpted the rocks into otherworldly formations. At night, gaze at star-filled skies in one of the world's top stargazing spots, a haven for astronomers and dreamers alike. Soak in the relaxing Puritama hot springs, a hidden oasis that contrasts the desert's stark beauty. Traveling south, you'll encounter the verdant valleys of central Chile, home to world-class vineyards and the bustling capital of Santiago. This fertile region produces some of the best wines in the world, making it a paradise for oenophiles. Beyond lies Patagonia, a region of untamed beauty, featuring the majestic Torres del Paine National Park, with its iconic granite towers, azure lakes, and sprawling glaciers. Patagonia is a place where every view is a masterpiece, and every trek feels like stepping into a postcard. And let's not forget the remote Easter island, Rapa Nui, where mysterious Moai statues stand as a testament to an ancient civilization, surrounded by the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Santiago, where tradition meets modernity. Chile's capital, Santiago, is a vibrant city framed by the Andes Mountains. Begin your journey at the historic Plaza de Armas, surrounded by grand colonial architecture that tells the story of the city's rich history. Wander through Bella Vista, Santiago's bohemian heart, where colorful murals, lively bars, and artisanal shops create an atmosphere of creative energy. For breathtaking views, take a cable car up San Cristobal Hill, where a giant statue of the Virgin Mary watches over the city. Santiago is also a culinary hub. Don't miss the Mercado Central, where you can sample fresh seafood and traditional Chilean dishes like pastel de choclo and empanadas. The city effortlessly blends the old and new, making it a must-visit destination. Patagonia, nature's masterpiece. Patagonia is the crown jewel of Chilean landscapes. Whether you're trekking the W Circuit in Torres del Paine, navigating the icy waters of the Gray Glacier, or spotting wildlife like guanacos and condors, Patagonia is a haven for nature lovers. Each moment in this region feels like a step into a fairy tale. From the turquoise waters of Lake Pehoe to the dramatic peaks that touch the sky. For a unique experience, visit Punta Arenas and sail through the Strait of Magellan to see penguin colonies, a heartwarming encounter with nature's cutest inhabitants. Patagonia's rugged beauty is matched only by the sense of tranquility it offers, making it a destination for both adventure and reflection. Easter Island, a journey to the past. Easter Island, one of the most remote inhabited islands in the world, is a destination like no other. Here, the enigmatic Moai statues draw visitors from across the globe. Learn about the island's fascinating Rapa Nui culture, which continues to thrive despite centuries of isolation. Hike to volcanic craters like Rano Kau, where lush greenery meets dramatic cliffs, or relax on the pristine Anakana Beach, a tropical paradise fringed by palm trees. The island's mysteries and beauty leave an indelible mark on all who visit. Wine and gastronomy. Chile's Central Valley is a paradise for wine enthusiasts. Embark on a wine tour in regions like Colchagua or Casablanca Valley, where you can savor some of the world's best reds and whites, including the iconic Carmenere. Pair your wine with traditional Chilean dishes such as empanadas, pastel de choclo, corn pie, or asado, barbecue. Seafood lovers will delight in Chile's coastal bounty, with fresh ceviche and caldillo de congrio as must-tries. Don't forget to try Chile's famous pisco sour, a refreshing cocktail that perfectly complements any meal. Adventure and activities. Chile is a playground for adventurers. Hike through otherworldly landscapes in the Atacama, ski in the Andes, kayak among fjords, or surf along the Pacific coast. Thrill seekers can climb active volcanoes like Villarrica, where the views from the summit are worth every step. For a more serene experience, explore the Lake District, a region dotted with shimmering lakes, quaint towns, and snow-capped volcanoes. Here, you can go fly fishing, paddleboarding, or simply relax by the water and take in the breathtaking scenery. Cultural riches. Chile's culture is as diverse as its landscapes. In the south, you'll find the Mapuche people, who maintain their traditions and crafts. Explore Chiloé's iconic wooden churches and palafitos, stilt houses, which stand as a testament to the island's unique architectural heritage. Experience the vibrant festivals in cities like Valparaiso, where art and music fill the streets in a celebration of life. From traditional folk music to contemporary street art, Chile's cultural expressions are as colorful as the country itself. Practical tips. Traveling in Chile is straightforward, with a well-connected network of buses and domestic flights. The local currency is the Chilean peso, and credit cards are widely accepted in urban areas. However, carry cash for rural regions and small markets. While Chile is one of South America's safest countries, it's always wise to remain vigilant and follow local advice. Familiarize yourself with local customs, like greeting with a handshake or cheek kiss, to connect with Chileans on a deeper level. When to visit. Chile's vast geography means there's no single best time to visit. For Patagonia, the summer months, November to March, offer the best weather for trekking and outdoor activities. The Atacama Desert is a year-round destination, but its cool nights are most pleasant from March to May and September to November. The wine valleys are at their finest during the harvest season in March and April. Whenever you choose to visit, Chile's beauty and charm will leave you spellbound. Why Chile should be on your bucket list. Chile isn't just a destination. It's a journey through extremes, where you can walk among ancient statues, scale towering peaks, and sip world-class wine, all in one trip. It's a country that invites you to explore, discover, and be inspired by its beauty and diversity. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or relaxation, Chile offers it all. Every traveler leaves Chile with unforgettable memories and a longing to return. Pack your bags and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Safe travels, and see you in Chile.